Okay. He's supposed to be doing your comedian work.
What?
Your comedian work.
I don't know. I said all the comedian work about big ass. I always said that. And with not, and with not, he can't come. He can't do nothing. So what the fuck? Right, Pepper?
He ain't even come. What the fuck is wrong with him?
I'm on the one time he did. Yeah, if we were doing for masturbating, whatever, I was trying to, or whatever, but I was.
He was trying to help him?
Yeah, I was trying to help him.
He probably like, oh baby, it's not working, right?
And this is what he said. Oh baby, I can't go. I said something wrong. I said, I'm trying to see what's in town. I'm trying to see what's going on with it. No, I did it with him before. I said, yeah, when we were together. I said, there must be something wrong with you, baby. I said, you gonna have to, I'm going to say you to the doctor and find out why you can't come.
What did he say?
He looked at me like, what?
Why? And y'all was married at the time.
Huh?
Y'all was married at the time.
He couldn't fucking go over there. I said, what the fuck? I said, something wrong with this, something wrong with this picture. I said, you know what, we're gonna have to go, I'm gonna have you to go see a specialist. A specialist or something, because you can't, you can't.
Aren't you supposed to go to urology? Men not supposed to go to urology for that, right?
No, he was going some motherfucking way. He didn't motherfucking come. And it wasn't pretty, whatever. I said, what the fuck, yo? And when he was looking at me, he said, huh? I said, huh? I said, big as you do, you still can't put it out? Still can't put it out?
You can't put what out?
He couldn't get it together.
Well, you got to remember, isn't he pre-diabetic?
Oh, I'm not talking about baby. I was talking about his father. He couldn't.
I understand that.
He lied so fucking much or whatever. You don't know nothing. He lied about his legs. He lied about this. He lied about that. What else have you lied about? Right, Pepper?
I remember when he was at the bus stop, me and James was looking at him. He's sitting down begging, talking about please, and then he was giving you a kiss.
I'm always, you know the block that Chick Fil-A is at?
Yeah.
I'm in that rail. Fuck, hold on me. I'm not going to answer. I'm just going to listen. I'm not blocking.
Oh, okay.
Whatever. I'm let me tell you something. Because I have him blocked. You understand? When I have you on block, there's no need for you to fucking call me. You feel me? No need for you to call me. No need for you to have a conversation or any motherfucking thing. Keep you in your fucking bags and whatever. Keep all that shit because I don't want it.
Tell him to stuff it up his gorilla-looking ass.
Oh, well, it's probably too big to stuff up there. Whatever. I'm not with that.
Yeah, man, nobody won't want to do nothing with him. He's not even in prison. If they was even desperate, because they can't even stick it in.
Stick it in. You can't stick it in. I mean, once you stick it in, you might not can't pull it out. Oh God! And this is what I'm afraid when it is because let me tell you something. It's a 646 number, right? But he probably calling from somebody else's phone.
Yeah.
Because you know why I say that? You know why I say that? Because I mean, maybe his phone is off or whatever. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck or whatever.